bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad.
Yeah, it's your girl Glam.Nefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Today I will be reviewing the Kiara Sky EMA Monomer and the Acrylic or all-in-one powder. Okay, so this is how it comes. It comes packaged in this thing. Now I will say that before I even open the box, you can smell the monomer. It's very, very strong. Again, this is the all-in-one powder. And I forgot which color this is, guys. I'll leave it down below. And yeah, guys, it's just to let you guys know, this is the strongest monomer I've ever smelled, to be honest. But I love how it works. So I do this in the house, so it can definitely be strong. I'm kind of worried when I bring my dog home. Is it gonna be like safe for like my dog or whatever? But yeah. Yeah, guys, this is basically a horrible review. I do apologize, but again, this is just the overall review of how I feel about the powders. The powders work very, very well. I kind of wanted more of a nude powder, but this is coming out more like a pink, a little bit like a light pink. So I will order more, which will be probably a white and a nude color. So I just decided to just do some encapsulated glitter nails, which turned out really, really cute. Like, I do need practice, so I will definitely practice. But guys, one thing I will say, I really wish that Kiara Sky had a acrylic brush, because if they had one, it would be so much, you know, better. I feel like their brushes would be bomb, because I love all the Kiara Sky products. So the fact that they had, like, you have acrylic, you have monomer, why not have some brushes? But I do think they have some coming. I don't know, but yeah. Overall, I love the packaging of the Kiara Sky powder, and I love the little the container that the bottle that the monomer came in. My only issue with the monomer was, like, pouring it inside of my dapping dish bowl was a little messy. I wish that it had a more careful dispenser where you're not wasting any monomer and stuff like that. But yeah, again, guys, before I even open my package, you could smell it, okay? You can smell it. You can definitely smell it. But again, guys, I know I say this in all my videos, I will do better with the view. Okay, it's just I live alone, so it's like I don't get to see myself sometimes, because I just be so focused in my nails. So yeah, I didn't show the part of me filing my nails or anything like that. I just wanted to focus it on the monomer and the powder. And I did use a clear acrylic from Mia's Secret, so I can encapsulate everything, because I felt like if I would have did it with the pink acrylic, you wouldn't have been able to see the glitter, maybe. So that's what you guys see me doing here. And I love the monomer with the Mia's Secret acrylic. It worked like butter. It was like, wow, you know. It just worked really, really well, as you guys can see. It worked so much better. But yeah, y'all. Oh, and these stiletto tips that I have are from Vivace, and I got them on Amazon, and they are everything that I use that's not from Kiara Sky. I got it from Amazon, and I'll leave my store on Amazon that has all of the nail supplies that I use as a beginner nail tech self-taught nail tech. I'll leave all of that in the link down below, so you guys could just go shop on my Amazon shop. And also, if you guys have any recommendations of any brushes that I can use, please leave them down below so I can try them out. I definitely need some new acrylic brushes. Like I need to have at least like 4 new acrylic brushes on board, on site. But as you guys can see, like the nails are coming along really, really well. And I feel like I did these very, very fast. I usually like my nails thicker, but this is going to, you know, this will have to do for now. I will definitely do a thicker set the very next time. And when you have nails that are tips that are already shaped, it takes off so much time from like shaping, because I struggle with shaping, especially doing both hands by myself. So I think it's pretty good that these were already shaped. I didn't have to really do much when it came to shaping. So definitely will keep these tips. I like how they feel durable. And yeah, guys, that will also be down in the link below. Okay guys, so these are my nails afterwards. This is how my nails are looking. One thing I can say is I definitely like the Kiara Sky monomer and acrylic. Okay, I like how it applies and stuff like that. I did only get one color, which was the color I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and order more. I just wanted to see how, you know, at least one applies. So I'm definitely gonna order more. Like I'm gonna order a clear acrylic and a milky white one, because I really like how they look. Like honestly, I think this is the best acrylic I've received or I ordered yet. Only thing is that, guys, I don't know if you guys can see, and I do apologize for the view. I was using a new lens, and my views just don't be that good. So I'm just gonna work on getting a better lens or a better setup, because the way my camera is, guys, like the way it is a little harder to get right above like my hands. So I'm gonna work on that. But this is how the nails look. Okay, overall, this is the overall review of the Kiara Sky acrylic powder. Now with the Kiara Sky acrylic powder, I like the size that it comes. The price seems reasonable. My only thing is, if you're gonna have monomer and acrylic, you should definitely have a acrylic brush. Okay, because my brush is kind of messing up because it is kind of old, so I do need a new brush. So yeah, that's one. So yeah, I'm gonna order way more stuff for my nails, but I love these so much. So yeah, I did use some of the Maya Secret. I did use some of the Maya Secret clear acrylic to overlay the to encapsulate the glitter and stuff. And the glitter is actually from Fanta Cosmetics, guys. I got it from Fanta's Cosmetics, and I believe that one is Rockstar, but I'll leave it down below which glitter that was. And yeah, so these are basically encapsulated nails, and this is my first time using these stiletto tips. But my thing is, like, the next time I will make them thicker. I usually like my nails way thicker, so I will practice that. But yes, guys, this is how my nails are looking. If you guys like my nails, definitely leave me a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And check out my other Nail Poppin' Monday videos. Thank you for watching.